Introducing the TYPHON TERROR X2 STORM mini excavator. Unveil the compact powerhouse designed for small construction projects. Perfect for gardens, farms, parks, roads, and more. Specially engineered for maneuverability in tight spaces like farms, gardens, and public spaces. Ideal for a range of tasks: drilling, digging, grabbing, bulldozing, ditch cleaning, rock breaking, and landscaping. Equipped with a high-performance Perkins 403J11 engine. Compact yet capable of withstanding intensive projects. Easy to maneuver for both seasoned operators and first-time users. Includes a 500mm wide bucket and ample ground clearance. Comes with a standard digging bucket, toolbox, canopy, and digital manual for easy setup and operation. Boom swing, retractable tracks, and a 360-degree swing radius ensure top performance in confined areas. 18.4 kilowatts Perkins 403J11 engine with EPA emissions Tier 4 final. Maximum torque of 66.4 Newton meters at 2100 RPM. Achieve a maximum digging depth of 2.5 m and a digging distance of 4040 millimeters. Outstanding resistance and durability with maximum agility. Boom deflection of 45 left and 55 right. Perfect for public spaces, small construction sites, gardens, farms, and more. Handles drilling, trench digging, rock breaking, and more. Mini scale, maximum success. Experience precision and efficiency in every project with the TYPHON TERROR X2 STORM mini excavator. Contact us today to elevate your construction projects.